Hello everyone, let us study linear equations in two variables. So we have already discussed about linear equation in one variable. Nothing but equation with linear expression in only one variable. For example, here x plus 1 is equal to 0 is the linear equation where the power of x is 1, hence it is a linear equation. Since only one variable is involved in the equation, so it is a linear equation with one variable. Now how we are going to find the solution of this? Just move this plus 1 to the other side. So it will be x is equal to minus 1. Now this value of x as minus 1 is the solution of this linear equation containing only x as the variable. Now this is the only value for x in this equation. So hence this is the unique solution for this linear equation. Since it is having only one solution, it is behaving as a unique solution. But today's topic is equation with two variables. Now the equation containing two variables, we are finding the solution of such equations. Now if you are finding the solutions, how many will be the solutions for such two variable linear equation? Is it 1, 2 or 3? How many will be the solutions for such two variable equations? So today's topic is the linear equation containing such two variables and their solutions. Now for this we will consider an example and let us know how the solutions will be behaving, whether they are only one unique solutions or some other thing. So let us discuss it today. Consider 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 as a two variable equation, linear equation. Now why two variable equation? Look at this example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Here x is also a variable, y is also variable. But look at the power of x and y's, it is 1. So hence it is linear equation having two variables. Okay, so we all know if there is only one variable, one solution will be there. Here two variables are there, hence two unknowns. We need to find two values for x and y's, right? So such a solution means finding x and y's are nothing but we are writing them in an order. So since they are two, hence we call them as a pair of values or pair of order. Okay, so solutions are written in pairs, nothing but x values and y values. Now if we are writing them in an order, then let us put those values now, right? Now how we are going to put them? Just we are going to randomly choose some values and substitute as the x and y's, and then find whether the equation holds good for those values of x and y's or no. Okay, we need to check that, right? If it is holding good, if it is satisfying, then the values of x's are correct, y's are correct. Okay, so let us check them. Now let us consider x value as 3. Now if I'm putting the value of x as 3, it is a random value. Okay, just choosing them randomly. If x value is 3, y value is 2, right? So just consider 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 as my equation 1. Okay, and hence I am finding x and y value here. If I am finding the x and y value, I have two unknowns, so simultaneously two values I cannot find them, right? So for that what I'll do, I'll simply just assume x value as 3 and y value as 2 and substitute these values in equation 1. Now if I'm substituting the value of x as 3, 2 into 3 plus 3 into y value is 2, so hence it is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, right? So since the LHS is equal to 12, RHS anyway it is a 12, so hence 12 is equal to 12 there, hence the values whatever we have chosen as x and y are the correct values, nothing but we call them as a solution of those equation. Now how we are going to write them? So we are writing in pairs within the bracket as x comma y. So x comma y is nothing but x value is 3, y value is 2, whatever we have chosen here. So 3 comma 2 is the solution of this equation. Now if one person is taking x value as 3, y is equal to 2, some other may be taking some other values. Whether those values will also be satisfying or no, we need to check them, right? So similarly, let us assume some more values, some other values, right? And check whether they are also the solutions, they are also behaving as a solutions or no. Check for 0 comma 4. So 0 comma 4 is nothing but 0 is my x value, 4 is my y value. So the equation is 2x plus 3y. Right, LHS part. So LHS part is 2x plus 3y. Substitute x value as 0, y value as 4. That is equal to of 0 plus 3 of 4. So 2 zeros are 0 anyway, 3 4s are 12. So LHS we have got 12 as the value. RHS is anyway 12, so hence this 0 comma 4 is also a solution for that equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now 3 comma 2 was also a solution. Now it is 0 comma 4, this is also a solution now, right? So let us check for another value. Now let us take x value as 1 and y value same as it is 4. Okay, so again 2x plus 3y LHS part, right? So substitute x as 1, y as 4. So again 2 of 1 is 2 plus 3 of 4 is 12. So 2 plus 12 is 14. Whether this is equal to RHS? No, right? So this is not a solution. So 1 comma 4 is not a solution now. Now let us interchange the values and check. Since 0 comma 4 is valid, is a solution now. So let us interchange 4 comma 0 and check. Right, so if I'm interchanging 2 4s are 8 plus 3 zeros are 0. So 8 plus 0 is 8, which is not equal to RHS 12. Right, so hence interchanging xy is not possible, is not a solution here. Right, so it may be in other example it may be a solution, but in this example it is not a solution for the equation 1. Now let us check for 6 comma 0 now again. Another value. So 2 6 are 12, 3 zeros are 0. Again 12, 12, LHS is equal to 12, RHS is also equal to 12. So hence it is a solution. Now looking at these examples only, we have so many solutions here, right? So in linear equation containing only one variable, we have only one solution. But the linear equation containing two variable, we have many solutions. So we can get many more such solutions for the linear equation with two variables. So we say that the equation has infinitely many solutions. So infinite solutions may be possible for such linear equations containing two variables. So we should remember that the equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called the linear equation with the two variables. So you look at these ax plus by plus c, where a, b, c are just the real numbers, right? Whereas x and y are two variables. So these x, y may be mn or st or pq, anything, but it should contain two variables. So it has infinitely many solutions. Remember, we also call this as a representation of linear equation. This is a very important thing to remember.